Hello po sa inyo. I hope you are all doing well po. So this is your angel message po that's meant to reach you right now. So this is just a one card read po sa ngayon. So ito po yung inyong angel message for today. We have the angel number 2112. It's up to you. Someone watching over you, good fortune, unforeseen forces, direction. So napakaganda kasi someone watching over you, you know. This could be your ancestors, this could be your angels, your guardian angels, this could be your spirit guides as well, no? Lagi may nagbabantay sa'yo. The divine universe is sending someone na laging magbabantay sa'yo, laging titingin sa'yo, poprotekta sa'yo, gagabay sa'yo, no? A good fortune, so maaari din na merong babalot na swerte sa inyo, meron dadating na swerte sa inyo, no? So unforeseen forces, so I mean unforeseen sources, so definitely, you know, this is from the spirit realm. So talagang itong someone watching over you is from the spirit realm. So this could be tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yun, baka yung mga angels ninyo, spirit guides and ancestors ninyo, and the divine. Sabi din sa message, even if it seems like you're not making any meaningful progress, things are moving in the right direction. Kaya wag kayong mag-alala. Okay? Rest assured that everything that you see, everything that you do sa ngayon is merong pupuntahan. Merong kakahinat ng maganda. So even if it doesn't seem right, no, kahit na napapansin niyo na hindi masyadong paborable para sa inyo ang mga nangyayari, but rest assured that at the end of the day, it is for your best interest, no? It is for your highest good. Papunta pa rin kayo sa kung saan kayo dapat at you are on the right path. Okay? Hindi ibig sabihin na bako-bako ang dinadaanan ninyo sa una. You know, it may just be a bumpy start, you know, but that doesn't mean na you are on the wrong path. Okay? So if you see this number 2112, it's a sign that everything will work out in your favor and your dreams will come true soon. Okay? So ano to sa inyo? Heads up ito sa inyo na huwag kayong mag-alala, wala kayong dapat na ipag-alala. Okay? Lahat ng ito na mga nangyayari sa buhay mo sa ngayon will turn out in your favor. Okay? And your dreams will come true very soon. So good luck po. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.